There's nothing quite like making your own pickles from cucumbers that you have grown. Today, I'll show you how to make delicious home pickles using Mrs. Wage's dill pickle mix. If you just want a simple recipe that turns out great every time, this one's for you. If you love gardening, cooking, homesteading, and a simple life, you're in the right spot. Let's get started. Nothing beats the taste of a homemade pickle. Fresh cucumbers are the key. So we have 4 jars of large spears. We have 3 pint jars of small spears. And we have 1 pint jar of pickles or circles. Now, all of these were grown in my garden. These are the homesteaders, and I sliced them into spears. In each jar, we have garlic, we have some red pepper, we have peppercorns, and we have jalapenos sliced into rings. Now, I like to use Mrs. Wage's dill pickle mix for my brine. Now, you can make your own brine, but this goes quicker and simpler. In this pot, we have 7.5 cups of water, and we have 3.5 cups of white vinegar, 5%. We're going to bring this to a boil and then pour our seasoning mix into it and let it bring let it come to a simmer again, and then we're going to spoon it into, or ladle it rather, into our containers over here. When packing the jars, you want to ensure that the pickles are tightly packed. This helps to reduce air pockets. And then after you put in the brine, you want to ensure that you wipe around the rims so that there's no bacteria or anything like that in them. Now, perhaps you can see the steam coming up. So now is a good time to pour everything in. I'm going to allow this to dissolve completely. Then we'll come back and ladle into our jars. Okay, we're going to turn the heat off, and we're going to start ladling everything into the jars. So I'm trying to get at least an inch over the pickles so that there is no air that's trapped into it or anything like that. After we get everything laid out, we're going to ensure that we have no air left in and then cap them. Last one. And we're running low. I'm not sure if this one will fill to the top or not. Using my bubble popper, yes, that's what it's called, to ensure that we have no bubbles down here. It is at this stage you can put these in a water bath for canning for about, in my area, with the tall ones here, it would be about 40 to 45 minutes. With the short ones, it would be about 25 minutes. But since these are going to cool and go into my refrigerator, I'm not going to go ahead and give them a canning using the water bath. In about 24 to 48 hours, I'm going to go ahead and open one of these and have myself some pickles. Now, those of you that do pickling with at home to make your own pickles, what steps do you use? I'm interested in learning. Do you like spicy pickles? What flavors do you like or anything like that? Mrs. Wages has several flavors that you can buy off Amazon, and that's where I got the dill flavor from. They come in a box like this. And I want to say I got 6 in here. And every year when I grow cucumbers, I make pickles. My wife and I have that in common. We really love pickles. Grandkids and kids, not so much. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how I make pickles at home. And if you got anything out of it, that's great. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. If you enjoy simple living, homesteading, cooking, and gardening, you're in the right place. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.